Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Lori over at PewDiePie Designs. She is having a birthday challenge that goes until November 21st. She is asking that you do a VR, be a subscriber, and it's an anything goes #PPD B-Day challenge. This is what I'm going to be sending out to her. I wasn't in any Halloween swaps this year. I decided to do Halloween themed. I didn't decorate the front very much because I wanted to keep this as flat as possible because some of the items that I sent in here are bulkier. And I did pre-make some envelopes to keep my entry inside of. I'm sending her some Halloween colored dewdrop. Here are the things that I'm sending her way. The first is this Memory Decks card. I think it came out so stinking cute. This was a die that I picked up at a yard sale, and I cut this pumpkin from one of my Cricut cartridges, and I did include some of my information on the back. This Memdex card fits in this little envelope just perfectly. I used my Cricut and made some of these super cute Halloween die cuts. This is the candy apple, and I did use ultra thick embossing powder to give it that glossy look, like it's caramel, and that's gonna go in there. I made this spooky haunted house. I used some stickles in the background of the yellow, inked around the moon. And then I also made this super fun Halloween bat, and I did use some purple flocking for the face and added some liquid pearls. And that is my entry for Lori. Lori, I hope you have a wonderful birthday and that you like my entry. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.